So the first thing I'm going to do is set up my letters and highlight my sides here. So side AB is going to pair up with side AC. And side BE is going to pair up with side CD. And side AE is going to pair up with side AD. Okay, but you can draw separate triangles if you want to. I like to avoid that, but it doesn't mean you can't draw separate triangles. Just be careful if you do. So it says BE is 9. It says CD is 22.5. It says AE is 10. 10. And it says find and explain ED. Now I'm going to put a question mark on there and we're going to talk about why in a second. All right, let's color code these things. So AE was blue. CD and BE were both 9. Now here's the thing. ED, this is not the side of a triangle. That's not right there. Let's write not a triangle side, which means that that's not blue or green or yellow. It's a piece of a side. All right, it is a piece of side AD, which means I got to know AD in order to find ED. And this is where these problems become somewhat difficult because we're never quite sure what's going to happen when I go in and I can't just kind of blindly make a proportion. So when I do this, I'm going to have a green proportion or green ratio, and I'm going to have a blue ratio because I know both of the green sides and I want to know the blue sides. All right, and when I put this stuff in here, 9 over 22.5, smaller triangle on top, 10 over x, but x is that side right there because it has to be a side of a triangle. All right, remember, only sides of triangles go in here. And then when I solve this, I'm going to get 9x equals 225. And that's going to give me x equals, I think, 15. 25, sorry. You figure that out, right? Okay, so x is 25. That's not the answer. Okay, it wants to know ED. It wants to know this amount right here, from here to here. Okay, and now I've got to think again. So what I know is that this is 25 from here to there. This is 10 from here to here, which means that this piece right here is 25 minus 10, which is 15. So that's my final answer. But we have to just be very careful and think about what's actually happening in these problems because it's not guaranteed that what we're looking for will be a side of a triangle or even that we're given all the sides of a triangle. But what we have to remember is that above all, into these proportions, I'm only going to put sides of actual triangles.